Hello everyone, hope you all doing good. So today in our session we are going to see about interface. So what are the stuff available within interface and how can we use those components within interface. Let's try to understand. Okay, I'm just creating an interface which is under new interface object. Just while giving the naming convention, follow the best practices. I'm giving just a test form. Okay, if we have any proper description for that form, you can just add it. And I'm clicking on create. So the form will get opened. So basically, this interface will be used for the end user to see the screen, and whatever the action the end user should do, all those we can configure within the interface. Okay, in interface, let's see what are the stuff available. So if you see, we have designer which we can drag and drop, and we also have expression mode. Once you get familiarized, you will be feeling more comfortable in doing an expression mode. I'll just explain you in a high level in this session. So in the palette, we have these are the stuffs available like top layouts, which are form layout at the top of the screen. Like it will hold header and buttons kind of thing. If I drag one of the layout, if you see top level layout, you can add all the input fields within inside it. Okay, these are the top level layout. Now we also have header layout. Within this, we have multiple top level layouts. You can make use of it based on your design. And coming to layouts, once you drag and drop the form layout, your top layout, and if you want to design inside in such a way, like you just want to insert text field, you just want to add some sections layouts. These are the nothing but subsection layouts. Within this layouts, you can just input your components. Even in the inputs, we will be having either text field, paragraph field. These are the fields that user can be able to input it. So if you go to preview, you will not be able to see that section layout kind of thing. You will just be able to see the inputting fields. Okay, so that's the main difference between layouts and the input fields. Input fields is nothing but user will be entering some values they will be able to view, whereas section layouts are just for designing purpose. And top level layouts which will allow user to submit, cancel, do any kind of actions. Okay, inputs are fine, and selections. We're coming to selections. You might be having some, you need to select countries, list of countries. Those kinds we need to have drop downs and radio buttons, check boxes. All these comes under selections. So you, in the text, if you are having more number of values to be displayed, it's best to go with the drop down, these selection stuff. And coming to displaying part, let's consider you just want to display an image. So those display an image and show an header and display the KPIs and show the stamp. All those displaying components will be under here. You can verify it. Okay. And coming to actions, we have actions, and the further section we will be coming to know about these actions, record actions. Basically, just these actions are used to do some set of actions like edit, update, delete. Okay, coming to grades and list, you might be aware grades and list are nothing but just to display your information which is in the tables. Those stuff you will be able to see here, and all the list of chart. If you have data that if you want to represent it, you can go with charts. And we have pickers. So if at all you want to browse some of the folders, or if you want to pick users which are present in the environment, so you will be able to configure it. Even you can browse all the folders too. And finally, you have custom components. These plugins will be supported by the Appian community. If you are facing any issues, you can reach out with Appian raising some request. Okay, so these are the components available in the palette, and also you have some of the patterns available here. These are the patterns. If you want to just trying to delete it, just select this and delete it. Okay, so if you want to just if you want to design some KPI stuff, So it's your requirement. So just go check where are we having any KPIs, like KPI charts. So, and also we can just drag and drop the functionalities. Just I'm deleting it, I no longer want that. So I want to show the activity history in this manner. So these kinds of similar pattern for your example of designing, you can go through these patterns. Okay, and so here we will be having an editing view, whereas in preview it is like user friendly at the end user, how he will be able to see those kind of view will be available here. And coming to performance, so this performance metrics, we can go in deeper in one of this session. Basically performance stuff, whatever the interface you're designing, how much time is it taking, what was the query time, and saving metrics, everything evaluation, each layout, and within that layout what are the components, how much time is it taking, everything we will be seeing under this performance. Hope you got it. So when I go to component back again, if I go to expression rule, you will be able to see whatever the design code we have drag and dropped, those you can see in the coding format. So once you have habituated with the expression rule, you will feel more comfortable in doing expression mode. If you are fresher, you can just start with the designer mode. Now Appian made it as easy to do drag and drop very fastly and configure the stuff very quickly. Okay, and here coming to here, you can create rule inputs if you want, and also you can create local variables if you want. If you want to know the rule inputs and local variables, what is it about, we have a previous session. You can just go through it and get to know that stuff. Yeah, that's all about the interface. If you have any doubts, please add it in the comments, so I'll get back to you. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for watching.